music sees all. It's 96 degrees Fahrenheit in the house. Even the chemtrails don't want to stop by. Okay. That's a problem. Let's look at some of the advantages of climate change. I won't be cutting my grass for weeks. Hey, honey, I'll be taking the garbage out. You see my gloves? Models and studies, like they always say, are telling us that the Earth is heating up. It's supposed to go up in the near future 1.4 to 4 degrees Celsius. Of course, depending on our CO2 emissions. Yeah, so it's been a month that my voice is still bad. So new viruses starting. Look at this. What am I saying? This. Under Mare Serenitatis, we see shapes and areas that look like they have boundaries, right? Or cut out, or they turn around certain craters deliberately. And as for the lines, you are going to see a lot of lines in this video. We're close up, really close up. We're going to see some nice shots. We're going to see that. I'm going to explain to you Clavius Crater. That's where we're panning to right now. Now, Clavius Crater, let's just say I was a scientist and I went to my work. I was teaching in a university, right? This is just a dream, right? So I'm telling my students, the new scientists to be, that this is totally natural. Watch this. There's Clavius Crater inside the craterlets 2, 3, and 4. Does anything look natural to you there? Like anything at all? Does it look like some type of meteor or asteroid strike, do you think? Really? Ever wonder why all the craters are overhead and you don't see any cone-shaped craters? What about the shadow on top in the center peak here and the shadow on the bottom in the center peak here? So they're not all shadows. Try to notice everything that's on the surface. Clavius Crater is definitely connected to the other craters that are at the back. And yeah, new viruses. Kazakhstan, they're talking about some type of, I don't know, pneumonia? New type of pneumonia? They better be freaking warning us. I'm telling you guys, they should be closing the borders. For safety, for our kids and for family and everything, we should all be sticking to our own countries for at least 6 months. Things are getting bad again in the States. I'll get some music up, my friends. Here's a nice close-up. Copernicus crater, top right as we're zooming in there along the Terminator line. Thanks for watching, everyone. Archimedes crater, right there in the center, that big crater with the lines, looks like a postage stamp in the States, right? Sort of, or like the mail sign. I see like three squiggly damn voice, lines at the back. But now I'm going to get some arrows up, 1 hour up actually, on the many lines going by Archimedes crater. They are there on the surface. Let's take a look at that. I'll get some more music up. Thanks for watching, everyone.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem.